Craig, and I live in South Orlando. I'm here to speak about Lewis, my plumber air conditioning specialist. He's taken care of me for the last 2 or 3 years, both at my house and my business, for air conditioning and plumbing issues. One thing that I really liked about Lewis was he was out helping me on an air conditioning issue, and he works on it for 2 or 3 or maybe 30 minutes, and then he comes to me and he says, well, this is the problem, Craig. You've got, this choice, or you can buy a new unit, and then goes through and lets you know, the cost of each of the different scenarios and what he thinks, how long it may last. Sometimes that's important that, to get a choice. He's good on price. I've got other quotes. He's worked at my office and my house. He replaced an air conditioner at my son's house. Came in about $1,000 lower than another quote that he had received. So I have nothing that I can say bad about Lewis. He's a great guy, and he'll do you right.